Hi dear students, how are you? Today we are going to start our new chapter. The name of the chapter is Components of Food. I have divided this chapter in 5 main topics for easy to understand for you people, so that you can understand easily each and every topic of this chapter. Our major topics are major nutrients of food and their importance, sources of food components, balanced diet, test for major nutrients, and malnutrition of deficiency diseases. So let's see our first topic, major nutrients of food and their importance. We eat a variety of food items such as chapatis, pulses, different vegetables, meat, eggs, milk, etc. We often advised by our parents and elders to eat various types of food items. Can you tell why? Because each food item consists of one or more ingredients, and these ingredients contain some important component required by our body, and these components are known as nutrients. Let's learn about the nutrients required by our body. There are 5 major nutrients which are present in the food we eat. These are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. In addition, our food also contains water and dietary fibers which are required by our body. Now, do you know which food item is rich in which nutrient? For example, sugarcane, potato, wheat, papaya, rice, maize, mango, etc. are rich in carbohydrates. Similarly, meat, milk, pulses, nuts, eggs, etc. are rich in proteins. Some important sources of fats are oil, butter, ghee, cream, milk, etc. On the other hand, important sources of vitamins and minerals are vegetables, spices, and fruits. Let's see the importance of these nutrients. So first we see importance of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates rich food forms the main part of our diet. They provide energy for physical activities and proper body functions. They are of two types, simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates contains sugar. These are simple forms of carbohydrates that are soluble in cold water and are sweet in taste. In complex carbohydrates are starch. It is an insoluble carbohydrate which is commonly found in plants as storage carbohydrate. It contains many units of glucose in it. Apart from this, cellulose and glycogen are also the parts of carbohydrates. They are insoluble carbohydrates and storage carbohydrate which found in animals. Cellulose are indigestible in most of the animals, whereas glycogen are also known as animal starch. Now see the importance of proteins and fats. Proteins are required for the growth and repair of our body. Fats also provide energy to the body as carbohydrates. So fats and carbohydrates containing food are also known as energy giving foods. Fats helps in smooth functioning of joints and to lubricate the joints. It also helps to absorb and move fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K through the blood stream. Let's see importance of vitamins. Importance of vitamins are one of the 5 major nutrients required by our body. They help in protecting our body from diseases. They also help in keeping some body parts such as eyes, bones, gums and teeth healthy. There are 2 main types of vitamins, fat soluble and water soluble. Fat soluble vitamins are easily soluble in fats or fatty substances. For example, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Water soluble are the vitamins which are easily soluble in water. They are not stored in our body, so regular intake of these vitamins is necessary. The water soluble vitamins are vitamin B, includes vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, vitamin B12 and vitamin C. Let's see importance of minerals now. Minerals are one of the major nutrients required by the body. They are required for the proper growth and functioning of the body. Iron, iodine, calcium and phosphorus are some of the essential minerals required by our body. Apart from this, roughage is also an important requirement of our body. Roughage, which are called dietary fibers, is indigestible in our human body. They do not provide any nutrient to our body. Hence, they form an important component of our food because of the following reasons. First is they help to prevent constipation. Second is they help in retaining water in the body. And third is they help in getting rid of undigested food. And last, importance of water. Water performs various functions in our body. It helps in cooling our body. It helps in the digestion of food. It helps in the transport of nutrients. It helps in removing waste products from our body. It protects important organs and joints from injury. So that is all for today. We will soon meet with the next topic of this chapter. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye. Take care.